How to add Call Now button on your Facebook page post. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to your application Facebook. Also make sure that you are running the latest version of the app. If not, head over to your app store and then update it. So once you have the latest version of the app, enter the login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Head over to menu at the bottom right corner and then head over to your profile. Scroll down and then you have to click on what's on your mind. Now you can simply upload the photos, videos or the status that you would like to post. Let's say I would like to post a status. Once you've written, the next thing you want to do is once again tap on add to your post at the bottom. Tons of different options will appear. Scroll all the way down and then click on get calls. Now you have to select the country and then enter your phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, tap on next at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are ready, click on post at the top right. So not only your post, your phone number will also be visible to the post. And the people who are concerned will be able to call you. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add Call Now button on Facebook page. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.